Isaiah Anthony, who is from Nigeria, very good motivational trainer. I just want to ask you one question from you. How you started your journey as far as motivational training is concerned?
Thank you so much, sir. What I want to say is that my name is Isaiah Anthony, like my beloved friend I've said here. One of the things that I do is that I help people to turn their passion and their problems into profit. You say, if you don't solve problems, you will not become rich. Money is in solving problems. So when I discovered this thing a few years ago, when I lost my father expired, and I was just in kindergarten that time, and there was no money. My mother was a kindergarten teacher, and when she retired, there was no money anywhere, and I have 3 sisters. So I was thinking, I am my mom, what are we gonna do? And we were living in our family house. My father never built a house. My father never had a car, no investment, nothing at all. He was just a teacher who was earning money and spending money. So there was no savings. There was no investment. So my father was just earning money, spending the money on us. So I told myself, this is not the kind of life I want to live. No, not for my children, not for my generation. I need to make a difference. I need to change this thing. So it was a big problem. I decided to stay back at home while my sisters go to colleges, Where I come from, we value education so much. Go to school, get good grades, graduate, get a job, get married, and that's life? No. That's life for some people. But for me, I said, no, it's not my life. I can't live such life. I need to make a difference. So this was the motivation.
What was the difference you brought after just coming into this profession?
Great. You see, what happened is that when you decide to do something, I used to tell people that the best meal to success is practice. And I was looking for the venue. Where do I start from? Where do I go? I started buying motivational books from Brian Tracy, Les Brown, and Tony Robbins, all those people, Robert Kiyosaki. I started reading books. I started watching YouTube, watching motivational speakers. I watch what they do, because success can always be repeated.
You were talking about talking people but not doing. What was the concept? Please explain.
The concept of doing and stop talking. It's very simple. A lot of people are talking about their dreams. I want to be an engineer, I want to be a resource person, I want to build this, I want to build that, and all the rest of them. But nobody is ready to take action, sir. Wonder why some people are not successful and others are successful. The reason is this: you are doing it, they are talking about it. So for many years, I kept on talking about my dreams, talking about publishing books, talking about writing books, but I didn't have the facilities, the resources to make this a reality. So that was the problem. And one day I said, let me stop talking about my dreams. Let me see how to start doing my dreams. So that's how I call the concept of stop talking and start doing. It's one of my books anyway. I'm just giving you the secret.
And what about your personal, means if somebody wants to have some idea and some motivational talk about you, what is the connectivity, and on YouTube or Facebook, what you just opt for?
Well, just like I was discussing with you, in this digital world, if you are not on the internet, you are going to miss out in the next 5 years.
Very good.
So I am on Facebook, I have my YouTube channel, my Twitter is there, my LinkedIn is there, my Google Plus, all of these things. Only with the name Isaiah Anthony. Actually, my Facebook name is AMB, which means ambassador, because I am an ambassador of success. Ambassador Isaiah Anthony. Isaiah Anthony. You can find me on Facebook. Okay, you can find me. The name is Isaiah Anthony. Anywhere you go, Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube. The name is Isaiah Anthony.
You were talking about
Breakfast for Champions, that's right.
Yeah. What was that? What is that?
The concept of Breakfast with Champions is very simple. It's a kind of TV show that I am planning to bring up, but right now I am just motivating people on Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, LinkedIn, and all of these platforms. So the essence of Breakfast for Champions, every day when you wake up, you need to brush your teeth. If you don't brush your teeth, it's gonna smell, and people around you are not gonna like it when you're talking, because you're just distracting people. Same is motivation. You have to wear motivation every day, every time, every minute. Everybody needs motivation, because if you are not motivated, you will definitely be demotivated. So the essence of Breakfast for Champions is to motivate people, bring them to a zero level to a hero level, and also making them become champions in their respective field and endeavor. So
You are
that's
quite
why.
young and not more than 30 years. How do you grasp all the things together? Now, what message you want to spread among the youth?
Anyway, age is not the problem. You know, when people ask me, how old are you? I'm so proud enough to tell them I'm just 30 years old. And people are like, are you kidding me? I said, no, I'm not kidding you. This is the truth. Okay? And as for you out there, you might feel that maybe you are too old to bring that dream into reality. Hey, you're not too old. You're not too young. It is better for you to start now, because early to bed, early to rise. So for the youth out there, I would just advise you, start right now. Go back to your drawing board, that dream that you wanted to achieve some years ago. Go take it. It's time for you to achieve it. Forget about your age, it's not important. I don't care about my age, but I care about making difference in the society. That's what is important. You know, I think the president of France right now, the prime minister of France, is 39 years old. So am I correct?
Yeah.
39 years old. The prime minister of France right now.
Yeah.
So you can be anything you want to be. You can be 15 years, but you can achieve something at the age of 15, and people will be so proud of you. So go ahead, make it a reality. Make that dream a reality, okay? Let nobody stop you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.